Hi guys, today I'm gonna give my sprint 1 presentation. So our team name is attendance tracking team. So in our team we have 4 members, so which are Avi Patel and me, Stender, and Shruvash Khatri and Tulvinder Singh. So here is the content page for this presentation. This presentation is divided by 4 parts. First, introduction, which is given by me, and work done is given by Tulvinder Singh, and the short demo which is given by Avi Patel, and then last Shruvash will give a reflection on his work. So here is the team and client details for our project. For this project, our client name is Mike View. Team members are already discussed before. So here we come to project overview. So this project is basically based on like web applications, and so this is a developer for like education sector, like such as for schools, institutions, or any university. So actually, like most of schools were facing problems, so they has to send emails to those students who were not attending classes, but they has to do by manually. It takes lots of time, so it's kind of time consuming. To solving these problems, we will develop this system, the attendance tracking system. So this is an automatic system of checking attendance in terms of web-based applications, and this would help to solve these problems in which lecturer won't need to spend more time to check class attendance, and this system will also automatically send emails to students about their attendance, as well as it will also generate a report for each student. That's how this will. So here I'm come to the roles and responsibilities. So for me, I'm gonna work on designing, tech testing, and technical documentation. So we will doing the coding, programming, and designing and testing for this system. And Tulvinder and Subhash will both focus on documentation.
Thanks my friend Jitinder Singh for giving us introduction. Now I'm going to talk about work done. We are developing an attendance tracking system which is web-based application. We have developed small part of it, and we completed 5 functionalities according to client: login, log out, forget password, send email, and course of list for staff. It will mostly like helpful for education provider and university management because it is very common problem of every institute about attendance. It will remove and save time of them. Now, because student will get a notification about extra class and time as well as timetable, and a student can check percentage of attendance. The second one is after login for staff. The staff has a list of course and attendance system, and staff can update subject and delete subject. They also can send email to student who has short attendance in class. Now I'm going to talking about tools and technique which we use. We used coding with HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, .NET, C#, and we have used Visual Studio 2012 code editor to develop and testing purpose. For this part, we have watched many videos and researched many sites on internet for developing purpose, and you will see the outcomes in next part of the presentation demonstration, which will give my next friend Avi Patel.
Thank you, Talvinder. Now I'm going to demonstrate our sprint 1. We have built 5 functionality for this project. So the first one is login as a staff. You can see here in first photo there is a login button, and if you click on login button, you will get the second page with the ID and password input. And if you enter ID and password and click on login button, you will direct to the home page of any interface. Now the second one is forgot password. So if you click on forgot password in login page, then you will direct to the forgot page where you have to enter your email address. And after that, if you click on submit button, you will get the email with password reset link where you can reset your password or create your new password. Now for third one is logout. So after login, when you go on home page, there will be login button for every home page on the top, and if you click on login button, you will direct to the login page, and you can log out from the system. The first one is login as a student. So for student, the ID will start from 30, and for staff, the ID will start with 40. So if you log in as a student, then the second picture shows the home page of the student, there where you can view your attendance and report. The fifth one is course list in staff section. So if you log in as a staff, and if you go in home page, there is a course button in home page, and if you click on, then you will find the course list where you will see the course code, course name, and the year in the course button.
Now you can see this is our first page of our application, and if you scroll down, there is a footer as well, and you can find social media link. So if you click on login button, and you will direct to the login page, and before we log in, just check it forgot password. So if you click on forgot password, so the forgot password page will open. Just wait, it is loading. Yeah, now if you enter your email address and submit, click on submit button, then it is loading. There is a message that mail sent successfully. So if you go in mail, and if you check your mailbox, then you will get the mail that we have just got from the system. Now go back, and if you log in as a 60, starting with 60, and enter password, and you click on login, then login successfully, and you will direct to the staff account. And if you click on course button, then you will find the course list with different course code, course name, and year, and you can also edit and save the courses, and also delete the courses. And if you click on logout button, then you will direct to the login page. That means you successfully log out from the system.
Thank you, Abhi. Now I'm going to talk about my part, which is critical reflection, and I have made some point regarding critical reflection, and some of them are as follows. Demo of our work was carried out successfully as we have expected, and every member as well as the client was very happy with the work which we did. The completion of individual tasks was carried out as expected. As we have 4 members in our group, and each task was divided in 4 equal parts, and every task was completed as we have expected. Weekly meeting are really helpful to complete our tasks. We are making weekly meeting with our client on every Thursday at 11 a.m. and that meeting is really helpful for us to do our document as well as demonstration, as our client is giving us different feedback as well as supervising us to do our work. Time was not enough for some of our work. Different member has different availability, and it's very hard to manage the time, but somehow we are managing till now, and hopefully we will do the best in upcoming days as well. Design was successfully come off as we have planned. We did really hard work, and the design was successfully carried out as we have expected, and we all are happy, as well as client is also happy with the work which we did. Forgot passport functionality was not working properly, but somehow we did research from different sources, and at last we success to make it. Client was very happy with the outcome of our work. At last, our client review our work and he is very happy with the outcome of our project.